Users. Allison, can you explain what internet is?
Yes, I love technology.
Pretty amazing.
Truly wonderful the mind of a child is.
Hey guys, Mr. Ogden here. Today we're going to jump back into our surveys using SurveyMonkey. So let's go over the requirements just to make sure everybody's on the same page. You should have created 21 questions, 7 multiple choice, 7 ranking, and 7 drop-down. Drop-down was the only one that needed to have text. The multiple choice and ranking needed to have pictures or video. You need to change the theme of your survey, and then you're going to need to share it with at least 3 classmates to see who knows you the best. So with this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to do that and also how to turn in your project. So first things first, go into your SurveyMonkey and log in. So when you log into this page here, you're going to want to click on your survey, who knows me the best. And then you're going to click down here on the bottom left, edit design. And now you're back to your survey. So a couple things for your survey, make sure you have all your questions. Change the theme. So the theme's over here on the left. You just click on theme and you can do different ones. I'm gonna go ahead and do ocean. Right now it's boardwalk. I'm gonna go to ocean. So there you go. Now the theme is changed. So we got into a few issues with using SurveyMonkey, and we cannot share the traditional way, because normally you would just click share or next and start sharing your survey, but because we have too many questions that we've created, it doesn't allow us. It only allows you very few questions in order to share it via email. So we're going to do it a little bit different way. We're just going to go ahead and take the survey here right on the computer as you're logged in. So for example, if I wanted to share this with my neighbor, I click preview and test. Now I have all my questions here. There's number 1, number 2, number 3. Of course, you guys would have all the questions. And I would begin to take this survey. I choose that, and I rank these. Okay, so what you're going to do is once your friend takes your survey, you're going to go back through and you're going to look at their answers, and then you're going to post them in Google Classroom. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute, but you're going to have your friend take your survey. So once you record all their answers, you can just close it out and then click preview and test again for another student. So just one thing, no computers will move the desks, or excuse me, no computers will leave the desks. You need to have the student come to you to take the survey about yourself, and you need to also ask for permission. So let's say this student took my survey and guessed on all or tried to get the correct answers on all the questions about me. So now I'm going to go to record my results. So let me show you how to do that. You need to go to Google Classroom to do that. Okay, in order to record all the answers for each student that takes your survey, remember you need to have at least 3 classmates take your survey. You need to open up the assignment, and you're going to scroll down, and instead of clicking add, you're going to click create. And what you're going to do is you're just going to create a document, and once you create the document, it'll say who knows me best, and then with your name. So you're going to click on that document and open it. Okay, once you open up the document, if your page looks like this, you need to go ahead and click on the right over here, these 2 arrows, and it'll show the menus. So now I can see all the menus. What we're going to do is insert a table. So you're going to do a 4 and all the way down. I believe it'll go all the way to 20. And you're going to title your table. So for example, this will be questions. Student 1, student 2, and student 3. So this would be questions all the way down, 1 to 21. Okay, and once you number all the way down, you see you're going to run out of room for your questions. We need to add a few more, so we need to get all the way to 21. If you did the assignment properly, you would have 21 questions. So what you do is just right click. So you can right click in the box right here. And if you use your keypad or your mouse pad, just click towards the right. Actually, the touchpad is called. Click towards the right of it, and that will be a right click, or you can use your mouse and just right click, and you're going to do insert row below, and do that again, insert row below. Now we have 20 and 21. So what you're going to simply do is go through, and if the student got the answer correct, you would put a yes. If they got it wrong, you'd put a no all the way down. Okay, and once you fill out all your answers for your students, once all 3 students have taken your survey, you're simply putting a Y for yes and an N for no if they got the answer correct or not. Now you're going to total them. So you just come down here and click down below your table and type in their name. I'm just putting student 1, you'd put their name, and let's say they got 17 out of 21, so you'd write 17/21, and so on. So as you can see here, this student number 1 knew me the best and got 17 out of 21, so you're going to go ahead and bold that. And now you're going to go turn in your actual survey. So let's show you how to do that. Okay, so just so I can see your survey, what you've done, you're going to actually take screenshots of your work and turn those screenshots in to Google Classroom as part of your assignment. So what you're going to do to do your screenshots is you're going to click Preview and Test again on your survey, and you're going to make it nice and big so it fills your entire screen. And then what you're going to do is, you see question 1 shows up nice and neat right here. What you're going to do is do a screenshot, so you need to use your snip tool and do a screenshot. Mine's a little different, so I'm just going to go ahead and do a screenshot of number 1. Okay, screenshot again. Remember, you guys would be using the snip tool. Okay, all the way down. So you have all your screenshots saved. Now we need to go back to our answer document and upload those screenshots. So you're going to come back here. So now you have your results. We can actually title this Results, Survey Results. So you already should know who knows you the best. Student 1 knew me the best. They got 17 out of 21. Now what you're going to go do is you're going to insert these pictures on this document. So you go Insert Image, and these should show up on your desktop or wherever you save them. And so I just took these 3 screenshots of these pictures. You'll do, of course, all the pictures that you took, or all the questions that you did. So I will open up that one. And there we go. And what you're going to do is you're going to be inserting an image for all of the screenshots that you took for each question until you have all 21 of them loaded on this document. And all you do to turn it in is you go back to Google Classroom and just press turn in. So the one document that you'll be turning in is just one right here. It'll be a Google document. It has your name next to it. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions.